Welcome back to Guide with Samuel, and in this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to add drop-down menus in Google Docs using your Windows PC. First, open your document at docs.google.com and place the cursor where you want the drop-down to appear. Next, click Insert, Drop-down from the top menu and choose New Drop-down to build a custom menu. Then, type a name for the drop-down, add the options you want, and optionally assign colors to each choice for visual clarity. After that, click Save to insert the drop-down into your document. Anyone with edit access can select an option and the choice will appear in line. Finally, to edit or remove the drop-down later, click it and choose the pencil icon to modify options or the three dots to delete it. And that's it, guys. Drop-downs are great for templates, status trackers, and collaborative forms inside Docs. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.